Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Phúc.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Phúc.
Dun, dun.
Good. How old are you?
I'm 5.
You're 5 years old.
8.
8, right? Okay, good. What food do you like?
Apple.
You like apple?
Yes.
Oh, apple is delicious, right? So yummy. So yummy, right?
Yes.
Okay, I see. Alright, so you tell me, what color do you like?
Red.
Oh, you like red. You have red shirt? You have red shirt, right? Do you have red shirts in the house?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Alright. Now, what drink do you like? Milk? You like milk? Coca? Juice?
Coca.
Oh, you like Coca? Oh, you like very sweet stuff, right? I see. All right. So, how many people are in your family? How many people are in your family? Your mom, your dad,
Mom.
mom, daddy.
Yeah.
Okay, brother. Do you have brother? No brother, right?
Yeah.
You have sister?
Yeah.
Oh, you have sister, right? Oh, what's your sister's name? What's your name?
Phúc.
You're Phúc, right? So what's your sister's name?
Oh yeah.
You don't know your sister's name? Okay, good. Alright, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's begin. What do you have here? Okay, here we go.
Ra.
What?
Ra.
Tap.
Tap.
Okay.
Two.
Tip.
Tip.
This.
Tip.
Okay. It's your pad.
Ta.
This. Okay. Alright.
That.
Okay, good job.
Knock.
Good.
Me.
Mix.
Four.
Very good.
Low.
Again.
Low.
Log.
Low.
Very good.
Off.
Very good.
Zip.
Good job. Okay.
Heap.
Good job.
Map.
Again.
Map.
Alright, good. Mat.
Cat.
Very good. Bat.
Apple.
Bat.
The apple.
That's bat.
Bat.
Okay, bat.
Ah.
Good job. Okay, sorry. Cut.
Cup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay.
Egg. Can.
Good cap.
Fan.
Good.
Bird.
Okay. Who is this? She's what? Vet.
Fish. Red. Hot. Tongue.
Okay.
Go.
Yeah, down.
Win.
Good. Okay, hat.
Hat.
What's this?
Cat.
Pet.
Pen. In.
Okay. Okay, two.
Spoon.
Very good. Alright, good. Now we go to. Okay, so we go to story. Alright. So you choose. I think we do this one, right? Okay, so let's do this. Okay, ready? Go.
The red hen is green.
Wait.
Red on nó
Mine.
my hen is in bed. We go to the vet. My hen had 10 eggs.
Okay, good job. Now let's do the sight words. Okay? First one to you. I think we do this.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
I like pizza. I like apple. I like banana. I like carrot. I like egg. I like cookie. I like cake.
Very good. Right, so what do we do? Now we read this. Okay?
I can see a hat. I like the hat. I see a
Balloon.
balloon. I like balloon. I can see a cake. I like my cake.
Good job. High five. Good.